What is up, guys, and welcome to another one of our videos. This is our Oneplus 6T quick unboxing. We're going to unbox the phone, show you exactly what comes with it. We're also just going to go over some of the quick specifications of the phone so you know exactly what to expect on the day of your purchase. Now, we're also going to do a lot more Oneplus 6T videos just so you can kind of get the full grasp of the phone. We're going to call it our Oneplus user guide. We're going to go over all the features, all the customizations, and we'll even do a video on comparing the Oneplus 6T to two of the top phones that are currently out now, which is the iPhone XS Max and the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So please go ahead and stay tuned for those videos. They're soon to come. Now, let's get started with the unboxing. Now, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. It really does help out the channel a lot. Let's get this box open and see exactly what comes with the OnePlus 6T. Alright, so when you open the box, you're actually greeted immediately with the phone. And the phone is actually really beautiful. It's a really nice design. It has glass with some aluminum siding on the corners. The buttons are very clickable. You can see that it shows that it has an in-display fingerprint scanner. And we'll kind of get to that later when we talk about the features and benefits of it. But if you go inside the box, you'll actually see that it comes with a little surprise, which is a case. And most cell phones don't come with a case. So this is actually a really good addition because it's one less thing you really have to buy up front. You can kind of use that case until you can buy another one or a more expensive one if you wish. Then we have the charging cable itself. We have the charging brick, and we have the USB headphone jack adapter. So yes, this does not have a 35mm headphone jack. You'd have to use that adapter to plug in your headphones. Now, the specs on the OnePlus 6T is about a 6.4 screen, 3700 milliamp hour battery, 8 gigs of RAM, and a 16 megapixel back-facing camera. So the camera is actually pretty good. The specs on the phone itself is actually pretty good. It has a Snapdragon processor inside with that 8 gigs of RAM. Now, it's going to come with the charging cable, the power brick, the USB headphone jack adapter, and a case itself. Now, the phone itself is really well designed. It does have that little notch on top, but it's not too crazy. It's not as big as an iPhone notch. The phone feels really premium in your hands. If you pick it up, it does have a little bit of weight to it. I'm not a big fan of light phones, so I do like the fact that it carries a little bit of weight. The back is definitely a fingerprint magnet though, so you definitely do want to have a case. It's really snappy. I've had a lot of time to spend with it, and I really appreciate what OnePlus has done with their interface, making it as minimalistic as possible. It's really snappy when you're moving around from screen to screen, from app to app, and consuming media. So that's going to do it for our quick unboxing of the OnePlus 6T, guys. Again, stay tuned for more videos. We're going to go over all its features and benefits so you guys know exactly what to expect if you decide to make this your phone. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It does help us out. Thank you for checking us out, and until next time, peace out.